core system libraries failing because of the VBScript Engine DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before the walkthrough for VBScript Engine, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the VBScript Engine. This library is responsible for the interpretation and execution of VBScript, Visual Basic Script code within the Windows script host and Internet Explorer. While a legacy component, it is still required by many administrative tools and software installers. Its corruption prevents setup scripts from running, often resulting in error 1720. There is a problem with this Windows installer package. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now, so Windows can verify and restore system files such as VBScript Engine. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with VBScript Engine. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install VBScript Engine DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to VBScript Engine management. If your workstation is back online and VBScript Engine is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.